Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how to cast a powerful revenge spell on your ex, on your enemy, or anyone who has or who have created problems in your life for a long time. This is the most powerful spell which we have used and which we are going to teach you how to do it. But dear friends, I would request you, before casting this spell, make sure that you do not use it on a genuine person, because if you are going to use it on a genuine person, then unfortunately this spell will backfire on you. Second thing, this spell is very powerful. It is 100% effective. It is irreversible, means the results, once the results have obtained, this spell cannot be reversed. You would be getting 100% sure shot results. This is my promise to you, but make sure that you do not affect the life of other person miserably, because your one step can harm so many things, can literally harm so many things. So before trying this powerful potent revenge spell, because this is world's most powerful spell, if you are going to use this world's most powerful spell, then there is going to be a lot of worries and lot of distraction and stress in your target person's life. If you have really decided to cast this spell, then I'm going to teach you how to do it. You need a black color marker which is there and 4 leaves, but the 4 leaves have to be naturally jointed. Look, they are naturally jointed. Look, they are hanging with each other. They have to be naturally jointed. Right. Now on Wednesday night time, because this is dark magic, so on Wednesday night time at sharp 12 o'clock or after 12 o'clock, between 12 and 2 p.m., that is 2 hours window is there. Between this time you can cast this spell. You will first of all write down the enemy's name or your target person's name on the biggest leaf. For example, your enemy's name is I hope first name you need to write like this, Sam, then the surname Love. First name on the upper side and the surname on the lower side, Sam Love. This is the, if you are not able, let me just little bit make it darker so that everyone can see it. This marker will work like this only. You will be able to see the name with your naked eyes while you are doing this spell. Next to this name leaf, you are going to write down the target person's area name and city name. For example, he or she lives in Mumbai, so you will write Mumbai here, and the area name Bandra, so you are going to write down Bandra here. If it is not clearly visible, it's okay, but the inscription or the names should get inscribed, right? On the third leaf, you are going to write down the age of your target person, approximate age. For instance, he is 37 years old. And this is the most crucial and vital step which you need to do. On this fourth leaf, whatever you want, you have to write down these wishes. They can be one, they can be two, or even three. For example, in my case, if my wish had been that I want that Sam love should go completely, then I'm going to use this spell that Sam will go completely. Sam should go out of my life completely. Once you have done it, you are going to crush these leaves. You are going to crush these leaves with your right foot, and while crushing it, you are going to chant these words: Mecca, Num, Guna, Sam, Love, Lemini. While crushing it, must make sure that you have chanted these words at least 22 times. Mecca, Num, Guna, Sam, Love, Lemini. No one should see it. No one should interrupt you. No one should disturb you while doing this spell. Moreover, this spell needs to be cast on Wednesday night only. Once you have done it, you have crushed these leaves. You will follow the same step for 7 Wednesdays. And once you have done it completely, you have got the results. You will put all these green leaves a very far away place from your house, minimum 10 kilometers. Because if you are going to keep these leaves in your house, then unfortunately chances are quite high that these spell might backfire on you. One of the reasons why spells backfire on you, because people, they do not dispose the items. The energy which is associated with this spell should go away, should vanish away from your life as soon as you've got the results. If you have any doubt regarding this spell, if you want any help regarding this spell, then please don't forget to call or WhatsApp or drop a message on the number which is there on your screen. Till that moment, you take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.